everyone, and welcome to the Number Color Club. Today, we're coloring the cutest little forest friend, a hedgehog. He's snuggled amongst the autumn leaves, and we're going to bring him to life. We'll begin with number 6, orange. The 6 E's make up most of the hedgehog's face, paws, and a large portion of its soft underbelly. Fill those in for a cozy look. Next, for the prickles and spines, we need number 7, brown. Look closely, as 7 fills in the spiky sections around his back and head. The brown next to the orange gives him a lovely textured coat. Now for the adorable accents. Let's grab number 4, pink. The 4 E's are used for his rosy cheeks on either side of his face. The small shapes are near his eyes. Now for the ground he's sitting on. We'll use number 2, light brown. The 2 E's fill in the ground beneath his paws and the log he is sitting on, giving the base of the image a soft earth tone. Time for the autumn leaves. We have 3 colors for the fall foliage. Let's start with number 5, red. The 5 E's are scattered on a few leaves near the top right and left of the picture. Next, we need number 1, yellow for the veins in some smaller leaf sections. Finally, let's use number 3, light green for the remaining leaves, showing some are still clinging to summer. We've saved the largest color for last, the background. The 8 E's are all over the remaining open areas, and number 8 is light blue. Carefully color the light blue background to make our warm-colored hedgehog and leaves really stand out. And look how cute he turned out! Our little hedgehog is ready for autumn. I love the contrast between his orange body and the blue background. Happy coloring, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.